Welcome. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether one or more of three given numbers fall within the range of 50 to 99. Let's dive in. We need to check if any of the three integers is between 50 and 99, inclusive, and return a Boolean result based on this check. Here's the JavaScript code to check whether one or more of the three numbers are within the range of 50 to 99. We use simple conditional checks to achieve this. The function checks each of the three numbers. If at least one is between 50 and 99, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. In this example, all three numbers are within the range of 50 to 99, so the function returns true. Here, none of the numbers are within the range of 50 to 99, so the function returns false. In this example, two of the three numbers are within the range, so the function correctly returns true. Here's the same logic implemented using ES6 arrow functions. The result is the same, but the syntax is a bit more concise. To summarize, we checked if any of the three numbers were between 50 and 99 using conditional checks, and returned true or false based on the results. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.